Spice is happy that she had a successful audition slash iron event in Atlanta today.
Update you guys, I'm actually right here in Atlanta doing my casting audition. My fans are here. People are here who's like ready. They have their work ethic. I see hairstylists come with mannequin head for show me them hairstyle what them can do. Dancers are here. Choreographers here. Everybody's here. Like, let me show you around a little bit because it's a takeover Atlanta where though. We basically set up outdoor COVID. Everybody got tested. We're following the protocols. People are 6 feet apart. Let me put on this mask real quick.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
No matter how hard them try to hold me back, me not stop till me reach the top. Cause of me alone can hold me spot. So me a ask if it's strength.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So today Spice had her iron event in Atlanta and people, she had a whole heap of position. She did a IFR, says she have security, hairdresser, social media influencers, dancers, makeup artists. That's just the name of few, right? And from the looks of things from where she show up on this live, it looked like it was very successful people. That's what she's saying. And she happy with the turnout. Whole heap of people come out for try to get a job for work with Spice. I don't know the thing goes. So I'm going to show on the live and then I'm going to get into the song that I just play from Nello Vibes. Alright, so let's hear what Spice has. Here goes.
I'm trying to make sure that I see all of my fans them because people came here from like morning and I don't want nobody come and say, oh, me never get to meet Spice. So I'm going to flip the camera and show you guys what's happening a little bit here in Atlanta. This is the whole setup. And I'm going to bring you around so you can meet my fans and see what's happening. We're out here. We're taking over. Big up KOD. We're outside of KOD. Management is here. The entire team is here. Step and Repeat banner. Mida is here. The Jamaican food truck pull up. Say hello to my fans. Everybody here outside Atlanta. We're taking over, all right? Look, we're taking over. Let them know. Let them know. We're here. This is time. You drive our security. What you applying for today? We applying for. Okay, security there, driver there. Everybody, what you applying for today? Your designer.
How does DJ? You already know. I'm coming to take it over.
DJ
baby.
is here. All right, personal assistant. All right, influencer. What's dancer? Dancer. Dancer. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 oh. All right, we're taking over. 6 feet apart. Make sure big up on yourself. All right, that's all. Yeah, line long, wrap around building. Watch that, so. Watch people. Atlanta, wanna come out strong. I love you guys. Watch people. Watch nice people. What are you applying for? Makeup artist. Watch over eye. I love that. What you applying for? Social media marketing. What you applying for? Content creator is here. Watch people. Watch nice sexy lady. What are you applying for today?
Sign language interpreter and influencer.
All right. All right. The line long gone all the way around. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I'm going to try to meet each and every one of you. We're going to take pictures. I know it's been a long day. I personally wanted to come to the back to say thank you and I love you guys. Big up on yourself. All right, thank you guys. We have a big full house in Atlanta. All right. Yeah, so it was a successful day. Big up, thank you. I love you. It was a very successful day here in Atlanta. I can't wait to meet everyone. I love you. Yeah, man. So we're there out of Atlanta right there. So the big bad dancer, them just mash up the whole place. All right. The Jamaican food truck pull up. We have a female DJ ready for mash up the place.
Ready to mash it up.
So you know what time it is. We're taking over Atlanta. And, you know, we're building an empire. Real people. Dream team. And we're just outside right now. We're getting prepared for my single release party coming up. So you know we have to have the real rollout. The album is coming out. Look out for the album 10 and look out for the big single coming out, SSS. I just wanted to update you guys on social media, what is happening, what will be going on with here in Atlanta. You know, I can't stay online with you guys. I just want to update you know. I love you guys. This is what it is. We're out here. We're taking over Atlanta. Ready? Stay tuned. I wanted to just update you guys.
New generation. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, yeah.
So the name of the song is Nah Give Up, and it's by the artist Nello Vibes, and we're gonna get into it and give it a full breakdown because that song is one real song. So let's go.
No matter how hard them try to hold me back, me not stop till me reach the top. Cause of me alone can hold me spot. So me a ask you for strength. Oh Lord, when the enemy attack, give me the tools to disable every trap. Please protect me from them evil luck. Oh Lord.
The song is produced by New Generation Entertainment. I love the work with them do on that song. Just the right amount of delay, reverb, and everything for match up with Nello Vibes' voice, right? And him say, I'm alone can hold him spot. You know that people, some people want we out of the way but can't do what we do.
God, Savior, me no like bad mind behavior. Them no want elevate, them sit down and wait. I pray for see your failure. Oh Lord, me don't see it where them depend, but me nah ease up for a second. Jade on the front line, him a the shield for them weapon. Cause my God nah go give up on me, nah go give up on me. My God nah go give up on me, no way, no way.
People, me telling say one powerful song this. You know what him say? Him say, oh Savior, me not like bad man behavior. Then I want to elevate them. Sit down and wait for some failure, right? And I saw some people steer people. Them would do what you do, but when you do it, then I want to see you do it. If you don't understand.
My God, nah go give up on me, nah go give up on me. My God, nah go give up on me. No, 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 no matter how hard them try to hold me back, me not stop till me reach the top. Cause of me alone can hold me spot. So me a ask you for strength. Oh Lord, when the enemy attack, give me the tools to disable every trap. Please protect me from them evil luck. Oh Lord.
And if you watch Dancehall IG review before with a backup singer, you don't know how I get for backup singers. I love when the female voice them blend in with any other main voice. You see me? Whether it's another female or in this case, Nello Vibes, you see what me I say?
God, mind firm cause me born with a will. My legacy when me have to build. I have a purpose in life I have to fulfill, I have to fulfill. If me stop dirty heart I go win. So me fly over them like a Boeing. Cause me faith keep growing, the blessings keep flowing. Cause God nah go give up on me, nah go give up on me. My God nah go give up on me, no way, no way. My God nah go give up on me, nah go give up on me. My God nah go give up on me, no way, no way, no way.
And people, me I go leave the link to the song so you can get a full listening experience without me talking over it, because I will leave a production value in the song. Well, for example, you know just hear that 1, 2, 3 jump there. You see me? That means say from you hear that it will go back to a part of the song where you know.
No matter how hard them try to hold me back, me not stop till me reach the top. Cause of me alone can hold me spot. So me a ask you for strength. Oh Lord, when the enemy attack, give me the tools to disable every trap. Please protect me from them evil luck. Oh Lord.
And people, me not for ask, and now me not for be biased for ask if this is a good song. It's a good topic him choose to talk about. Nah give up, you see me I say. Persistence, and on top of that him have a video of him actually performing the song and I get a big forward. So it's not like me have to make up things and telling you say yo it's a good song or convince you know, because all the facts are here. You see me? So me I go show you that video right now. Nello Vibes are performing the sings.
What me say? Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, no matter how hard them try to hold me back, me not stop till me reach the top. can hold me spot. So me a ask if it's strength. Oh Lord, when the enemy attack, give me the tools for the team in every shop. Please protect me from the evil act. Oh Lord, Savior, he don't like bad mind behavior. Them no want elevate them, sit down and wait.
So thanks for listening, everybody. The link for the song will be in the first comment or description. Big up everybody out there. Stay safe. When you know a thing where so I say, big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.